Okay, so we'll be looking at amorphous carbon. Amorphous carbon. Amorphous carbon are also known as crystalline carbon. Amorphous carbon. They are also known as crystalline carbon. Those carbon that are not crystalline in nature. And these amorphous carbon include, you have your coal, you have your charcoal, you have your, under charcoal you have wood charcoal, animal charcoal, sugar charcoal, you have your soot, and so many of them. Okay, so we'll be looking at destructive distillation of coal. What is destructive distillation of coal? It is subjecting coal to a very high temperature and pressure in the absence of air in order to drive away all the volatile constituents. And at the end of the day, it will give you 4 products. The destructive distillation of coal will give you 4 products, which are coke, coal tar, coal gas, and ammonical liquor. Ammonical liquor. So, destructive distillation of coal will give you coke, coal tar, coal gas, and ammonical liquor. Now, ammonical liquor is liquid, is the only liquid substance formed in the destructive distillation of coal. This is the only liquid substance formed in the destructive distillation of coal, and it is used in making fertilizers. Okay, so let's look at other types of charcoal. Now, for the charcoal, we have what we call wood charcoal. Wood charcoal. Wood charcoal, how do you obtain wood charcoal? It is by burning wood in the absence of air. The normal wood, the normal firewood, burning wood in the absence of air will give us what? Or in insufficient supply of air. Wood charcoal is obtained by burning wood in the absence of air or in insufficient supply of air. It will give us wood charcoal. That is the normal charcoal you see people roasting corn use. That is how you obtain your wood charcoal. Then we have what we call animal charcoal. Animal charcoal is obtained by burning animal products. Maybe the animal itself, the animal bones, the animal blood. With that, you obtain what we call animal charcoal. Then we have the last but not the least, sugar charcoal. Sugar charcoal is obtained by burning sugar in the absence of air, or basically by dehydration. Dehydration means removal of molecules of water using concentrated tetrazosulfates. Concentrated tetrazosulfates to do so. When you do that, you obtain what we call sugar charcoal. Now I want you to know that the purest form of amorphous carbon, this is the purest form of amorphous carbon. Purest. The purest form of amorphous carbon is sugar charcoal, while the purest form of naturally occurring carbon is diamond. Please take note of that. Then we'll look at the uses of this charcoal. So we look at the uses of charcoal. Number 1, charcoal basically is used as an absorbent of poison or of poisonous gas. Absorbent, you can use it to absorb poison or poisonous gases. Even in our local hospitals or local clinic, let me use the word clinic. When people have poison, sometimes they get charcoal, put it there, or maybe someone has poisoning, probably you ate food that has been poisoned. You can make use of what we call activated charcoal, mix it with water, drink. It will absorb all those poison and remove it from the person's body. So charcoal, especially wood charcoal is used for this. Wood charcoal is also used for purification of solvents. Purification of solvents is also used for purification of solvents. That is wood charcoal. Is an absorbent for purification of solvents. Then we have animal charcoal. Animal charcoal is used for decoloralizing, to decolor. It is used to decolorize. Decolor means to remove color from substances. Animal charcoal is used for decoloralizing of substances. So please take notes of this and their uses. Then we'll go to another type of amorphous carbon. Okay, so we look at the last one here, soot. Soot is also known as carbon black. Carbon black. Now, soot is obtained by burning oils or lamp in insufficient supply of air. You obtain soot. Now, let me give you a typical example of soot. You know your grandmother's hot kitchen in the village. If you have visited her in the village, you will discover that her kitchen has a lot of black particles on top, that if you are not careful while walking and mistakenly hit your head on it, the soot is going to fall on your body. Another example where you can find it is at the motor exhaust of pipes. Those black things there, you can find all those black things there are what we refer to as soot or carbon black. So what are they used for? They are very important. Number one, they are used in making polish. They are used in making shoe polish. They are used in making typewriters ribbon. What again? They are used in making black tires. They are also used in making printer's ink. Like part of the ink I'm using in this marker is carbon black. Printer's ink, the ink they use in printing things by the press. Then they're also used in making carbon paper. You know the carbon paper people use in making payments. While making payments, people put them in between their invoice or receipt, as the case may be. Carbon paper. These are the uses of carbon black or soot. Remember, all of them here are referred to as what? Amorphous carbon.